So we before
Okay,
we
so I'm
begin,
calling you Nimrat, huh?
yeah, that's perfectly fine. So before we
Yeah.
begin, I want to know what is the meaning of Vim? What is the meaning of your name?
अच्छा, सही है. आज मेरे को सवाल शुरू हो रहा है.
I
So,
always ask this
my
question. Yeah.
no, that's great. Actually, my nickname is Bheem, जो
Okay.
महाभारत वाला Bheem. So, but
Chota
I
Bheem
just write it
or
as
Bheem?
हाँ. बस इसीलिए मैं भीम नहीं लिखता हूँ क्योंकि
Okay,
लोग छोटा
okay,
भीम से कनेक्ट करते. बट आई जस्ट राइट इट एज VWM. सो दैट्स द
okay.
रीजन लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाता है. एंड वीम टेल्स क्योंकि वो चैनल का नाम है इसीलिए वीम टेल्स रख दिया मैंने.
Right. Okay.
Okay, so the first thing I want to ask you,
Yeah.
पूरे सब जगह कोविड कोविड चल रहा है. How is the situation like? What you are seeing like? How the normal babies, like cute little babies, are getting affected by COVID? How is the situations with them?
So, COVID, as we all know, कि कहाँ
Hmm.
start हुआ था 2019 में and where it's grown. And I think जब first wave आई थी, so as I told पहले कि I was just doing my residency तब, and we used to see one
Yeah.
odd case, किसी के घर पे हो गया, उसके बाद किसी के
Hmm.
बच्चे को हो गया, and very very rare. So by the time that this has grown so much, because newborn babies are so exposed to this, अब I see about
Ah.
30 or 40 newborn babies who are tested positive with COVID. So मतलब not to
Oh.
scare anybody, but COVID is in the
Hmm.
air and बच्चों को टोटल रिस्क है. देर इज नो प्रोटेक्शन. या द गुड थिंग, या
Ah.
जो हम सिल्वर लाइनिंग ढूंढ रहे हैं इस पैंडेमिक में, ये है कि किड्स
Ah.
डोंट गेट अफेक्टेड टू अ सिवियर लेवल. उनमें हमेशा माइल्ड टू मॉडरेट सिम्टम्स रहेंगे. 99%
अच्छा.
फेटल नहीं होएगा. 1 odd percent
Hmm.
there will be a complication, but 99% we see the children sail through like a breeze. So that is a good news
Ah.
for the people out there. Other than that, I think
Yeah.
you know this pandemic जो इसने हमें सिखाया है
Hmm.
कि always see
Hmm.
the positive out of it. So every time मेरे को कोई
Hmm.
patient या कोई मिल जाता है जो कहता है कि I've tested positive, so the first thing I tell them is congratulations for
Ah.
those antibodies, because these are the best form of
Ah.
antibodies. ये तुम्हारी बॉडी
Hmm.
बेसिकली रिकॉग्नाइज कर रही है उस वायरस को
Ah.
डायरेक्टली. एंड नॉट टू से कि इसमें वैक्सीन इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, वैक्सीन इज इक्वली
Yeah.
इम्पॉर्टेंट. बट जस्ट इमेजिन कि
Yeah.
आपके पास एक ऐसी एंटीबॉडीज है जो वायरस से
Ah.
खुद लड़के मिली है और एक ऊपर से एक्स्ट्रा आ गई है. सो हाउ इम्यून यू आर
Yeah.
टुवर्ड्स द वायरस.
Exactly. And what about the recovery rate like? क्योंकि मैं ना हर जगह देखता हूँ लोग ये बोलते हैं कि इतना अफेक्टेड हुआ इतना अफेक्टेड, बट रिकवरी रेट के बारे में कोई बात ही नहीं करता. What about the recovery rate?
So, we, like I was just telling you थोड़ी देर पहले,
हाँ.
it is
हाँ.
such a bouncy situation right now.
हाँ.
Children,
हाँ.
yes, they get recovered about 95 to 99%.
हम्म.
One odd case I've seen जो complications में चले जाते हैं, वो हैं जो newborn babies to mothers who have COVID. So वो one odd जो
हाँ.
होते हैं जिनमें pregnancy में कोई complication आ गई, they land up into some problem.
हम्म.
Otherwise, usually kids, I can speak for the kids only, they recover about
हम्म.
95%. उनको कोई
Oh, that.
complications बाद में notice नहीं होती. I think maximum they have is fever, cough and cold. Now,
हम्म.
since the last
हाँ.
3 weeks, what I've been seeing is that there is acute gastroenteritis, मतलब loose stools, vomiting, पेट
Oh.
दर्द, इनसे आएंगे.
हाँ.
But other than that,
हाँ.
it's all okay.
डू यू फील, मुझे पता नहीं बहुत लोग ये वाले सवाल पे मेरे अगेंस्ट में जाएगा कि
Right?
समवेयर इट इज बिकम अ पैनिक देन अ पैंडेमिक.
There should be a panic in this pandemic. If not in this, then
व्हाट?
where? Yeah, yeah.
या.
I mean, definitely people should be scared, but not to the
हाँ.
extent where, mental effects are on pe. Scared in the sense, put it
हम्म.
to good use. मतलब wear a
हम्म.
mask, sit at home. And I
हम्म.
always tell this, मतलब in OPD मैं तो इतनी philosopher बन गई हूँ कि I keep telling everybody कि the virus is in your hands. You literally just have to
या.
sanitize and stay at home. मतलब ऐसा
या.
magical tool है हमारे पास कि you just sit at home and you won't get the infection. Having said that,
हाँ.
but yes, panic जरूर है, because I won't lie to you. I see
हम्म.
cases because we go to the COVID wards for rounds, and sometimes
हम्म.
patients चलते आते हैं hospital and they don't make it. you know
Oh,
they face complications. So definitely there's that element of panic to it. But
yeah.
I I say moving forward and being positive is just to stay at
हाँ,
home and basic चीजें, eat a well-rounded diet, अच्छी तरह से सो जाओ, घर पे बैठ के काम करो. I
हाँ,
mean, literally, the virus is teaching us something जो हमने कभी वैसे नहीं सीखना था. It's just to stay simple in life. That's it.
yeah. And like most of my podcasts are with the bureaucrats and pilots
Yeah.
as of now. तो मैं
So I
देखता
want to
रहता हूँ
ask
and
you first. So what is the
हम्म.
reason behind these podcasts? Like, so you interview the bureaucrats and the
हम्म.
pilots. So how did you start this initiative?
I come from totally a different background guy, like so-called event industry or sound engineering. So after that, this initial days of COVID, I saw people started doing live sessions and stuff like that. एंड
Yeah.
मुझे ना बचपन से ही लोगों से बात करने का क्यूरियोसिटी है, मतलब कोई बोलेगा
Okay.
ज्यादा बकबक करता है, बट मतलब मुझे अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि मुझे ये लगता है कि हर इंसान की एक स्टोरी होता है. Like
Right.
everybody has a different struggle, like you have a struggle, somebody have a struggle. तो मुझे वहीं से कुछ सीखना है. If it's not a live session, अगर मैं आपको ऐसे पर्सनली मिलता तो आई वुड हैव
Yeah.
जस्ट रैंडमली आस्क यू लाइक दिस थिंग दैट थिंग. दैट्स व्हाई मैं इसमें स्क्रिप्ट विप कुछ नहीं बनाता हूँ. तो
Yeah.
एंड देन आई थॉट कि अगर इसको मैं पोर्ट्रे कर पाऊं कि ऐसे कोई थ्रू अ मीडियम,
Yeah.
अगर किसी को हेल्प हो सके. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कुछ चाहते हैं जिंदगी में, नहीं कर पाते कि उनको ये लगता है अरे नहीं शायद नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा, शायद
Right.
इसीलिए नहीं होगा, या
Right.
फैमिली प्रेशर, या किसी ने सुना दिया अरे बेटा ये नहीं करना वो नहीं करना. तो हर कोई इससे जूझता है. यू ऑल्सो फेस समथिंग लाइक दैट इन लाइफ.
Right.
बट आपकी कहानी के थ्रू अगर कोई एक मोटिवेट हो जाए ना, कोई एक को हेल्प हो जाए, दैट्स
Right.
ऑल फॉर मी. बस दैट्स
So,
द रीजन ऑफ
this
डूइंग द
is what I
पॉडकास्ट.
wanted to say. Veem, a huge shout out to you.
अरे.
क्योंकि in this pandemic, to people, I mean, doctors teleconsultation तो बचपन से ही करते आ रहे हैं. In COVID, this is
हाँ.
nothing new. But to reach
Yeah,
out to
yeah.
doctors and to give them this platform where they can just tell you two, three
Hmm.
things, and you can feel safe and secure at home. To have these kind
Yeah.
of platforms is amazing. So thank you for having me on board.
अरे इट्स माय प्लेजर. तो जो मैं पूछ रहा था, एंड थैंक यू
Right.
फॉर दोज ऑफ यू आर वाचिंग एंड कमेंटिंग. सो जो चीज मैं पूछ रहा था कि
Right.
आई सी दिस ब्यूरोक्रेट, लाइक इफ यू टॉक अबाउट एनी आईपीएस ऑफिसर or any bureaucrat, they can sit at home now. Like in pandemic, it's not possible, and a
Yeah.
lot of them are the newly mothers,
Yeah.
new parents. तो कभी कभी कुछ लोग ये भी पूछते रहते हैं कि पूरे दिन हम लोग बाहर रहते हैं, इज इट राइट कि घर आने के बाद बच्चों से मिलना, एक वो डर है. सो व्हाट विल यू से ऑन दैट?
So I'd say yes, there's definitely a scare to
हाँ.
this. बच्चे स्पेशली जो 2 to 10 वाली एज ग्रुप में ने वो तो बहुत
हम्म.
आउटगोइंग होते हैं. दे कांट सिट एट होम.
हाँ.
तो वो बाहर
हाँ. हाँ.
जाते
हाँ.
हैं. So there are two things to
Yeah.
this. One is कि उनको खुद इन्फेक्शन हो सकती है. The second thing is
Okay.
कि they can even give the infection to others, like all the nannies and dadis at home. So they can be
हाँ. हाँ.
asymptomatic carriers. And I'd say
Yeah.
about 50 to 60% of children are asymptomatic carriers. So
हाँ.
whenever you're coming back home bahar se, make
हाँ.
sure you sanitize your hands, make sure your child is
हम्म.
sanitizing their hands. And actually this is not a time that you cuddle with your child. Maintain that safe distance. Unfortunately,
बट ये तो
this is
काफी
very
मुश्किल
sad.
होता है ना बीइंग
I
अ पेरेंट.
understand. But even if you really want
हाँ.
to, so I think the only thing is just sanitize your hands, and
हम्म. हम्म.
especially अगर old people in the house हैं, उनके साथ तो definitely maintain a distance. Young people still have the immunity. I think the elders are a
हाँ.
little compromised that way.
Yeah. And what about premature babies? Like मुझे 2-3 लोगों ने डीएम किया था, like मैंने शेयर द पोस्ट करके मैं आपके साथ पॉडकास्ट कर रहा हूँ कि they wanted to know how to take care or special care about premature babies.
So basically, premature babies,
Hmm.
I'd say, are a risk until 1 year of
Hmm.
life. जब वो 1 year के हो
Oh.
जाते हैं, हम उनको सेम लेवल पे लेते हैं एज नॉर्मल बेबीज जो
अच्छा.
40 weeks पे बॉर्न होते हैं, राइट. सो
Okay.
इनमें भी देयर वेरियस थिंग्स. if your child is premature, ठीक है, डिपेंड करता है कितना प्रीमेच्योर, यू नो इट कुड बी 25 वीक्स, नॉर्मल बेबी 37 to 40 वीक्स पे बॉर्न होता है, सो यू कैन स्टार्ट अबाउट 25 वीक्स पे हम कहते हैं कि ये बेबी वायबल है, वायबल मतलब दिस बेबी कैन एंटर दिस वर्ल्ड. So 25 to 37 weeks तक is a gap of prematurity. इस पे depend करता है where in prematurity are you fitting your child. But if your child is just born, I'd say 6 months भी नहीं हुआ बच्चे का, till that time the rules remain the same. It's the same for every child, for every senior citizen, even people of our age group. The rules are the same: mask up, sanitize, and social distancing. For premature babies, I think up to 6 months, definitely mother ka breast milk is a highlight. You know, she can transmit antibodies which normal babies don't get from anywhere else. So 6 months tak to only mother's milk and vitamin D supplementation, because unfortunately mother ke milk mein vitamin D nahi milta. From 6 months onwards, so I'd say about 2 years. So the baby jab normal diet start karta hai, for premature and normal baby, the baby should receive solid, semi-solid food. Jaise kehte hain na, dal, mashed potato, mashed bananas, all of that should be included in your diet. Then I'd say from 5 years onwards, normal jo hum khate hain in a day, 3 meals with 2 snacks in between, introduce those. And like I said, ki, generally for the pediatric age group, for COVID, 3 special supplements होते हैं. एक होता है vitamin C, vitamin D and zinc. For our good luck, vitamin C and zinc कट्ठे formulation आती है उनकी. It is very very important. I know कि कुछ parents they don't believe in giving medicines, and so many people will tell me कि हम पर नींबू पानी देते हैं, हम सुबह एक orange देते हैं. So to all those parents, it's amazing that your child is taking all of this, but you still have to supplement क्योंकि that is only 500 milligram. We want to provide 1000 milligram. So एक vitamin C, and to all those parents, कोई side effect नहीं है vitamin C का. It is amazing for the body. It actually delays the progression. I'm a patient of sinusitis. मतलब I तो used to fall sick every 15 days. मुझे जुकाम हुआ होता था. But you know, since my husband actually introduced me to vitamin C, as shameful as that is, as a doctor, I never used to take. I used to think, क्या है vitamin C, कुछ भी नहीं है. Then I started taking vitamin C, and you know, touch wood, I've not had a cold so frequently after that. So that and vitamin D, because हमारी body लेती नहीं है, and हम धूप में इतना बैठते नहीं है. So धूप में बैठना is also certain criteria. It's only 11 बजे सुबह से लेके 1 बजे दोपहर को. You can't go 5 बजे and think कि you know धूप मिल रही है. It's not going to help you. So these 2 supplementations are known to help in COVID prevention.
Yeah. Okay, I got a question that I want to ask you. Like, somebody asked, Nidhi asked that, how can methylprednisolone helpful in COVID-19 with mild symptoms? Because one of my home got COVID positive in RT-PCR, but in antigen. He takes zinc, something like that. So what will be done?
So methylprednisolone is a steroid. Recently, because there was a shortage of remdesivir was not available, so methylprednisolone was introduced. Basically, एक steroid का क्या action होता है? COVID में हमारी body काफी inflammatory cytokines बनाती है. Cytokines होते हैं inflammation जो cause करते हैं, infection जो cause करते हैं. So COVID में एक चीज होती है जिसको कहते हैं cytokine storm. मतलब इतनी inflammation और infection इकट्ठी हो जाती है कि उसको settle करना पड़ता है. And that can only get settled with steroids. पहले ये ट्रीटमेंट होता था कि रेमडेसिविर दे दो, तो सुलिज़ुमैब दे दो, जिस ड्रग की बहुत शॉर्टेज चल रही है आजकल. नाउ दे हैव आल्सो इंट्रोड्यूस्ड मिथाइलप्रेडनिसोलोन. सो ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ स्टेरॉइड्स का बेसिकली एक ही एक्शन होता है कि इन्फ्लेमेशन को कम कर देना है. बट इन दिस पर्सन्स क्वेश्चन, आई डोंट थिंक घर पे उसको देने की जरूरत है, unless and until saturation कम है या breathlessness हो रही है या lungs में कुछ changes आई है. अगर इनमें से कुछ भी problem है, then definitely steroid is your go-to, and it is a magic medicine. So close your eyes and give it to your patient if your doctor has advised.
And which milk powder is best for premature babies for 8 months?
Okay, so I'd like to say all docters will say give only breast milk till 12 months. But if Navjeet Kumar, you know, if your person is not having milk shortage because of whatever reason, because sometimes क्या होता है कि mother की production of milk कम हो जाती है, gradually.
mm,
Yeah, she's
mm,
having some
mm.
underlying medical condition and she's unable to
Yeah, yeah.
breastfeed. So then we
Mm,
tell them to use milk powders. So I think the
mm.
best kind of milk powders are those जो cow milk powders होते हैं, जैसे Nanpro,
Okay.
Lactogen,
Mm,
Enfamil.
mm,
These are three very important powders. The most important thing is how do you give it?
mm.
क्योंकि अगर you don't give it in the right quantity, it's not going to help your child. So make
Yeah.
sure you give 1 scoop in 30 ml, you mix it and you give it over एक ही time पे. And जितना भी आप
Mm.
formula पाउडर मिल्क को फॉर्मूला बोलते हैं, जितना भी आप फॉर्मूला मिल्क बनाते हो दिन में एक बार, इट शुड बी यूज्ड ऑल थ्रू आउट द डे. नेक्स्ट डे पे फिर से फ्रेश बनाना
Acha. Okay.
है.
I
राइट.
think this will be helpful for those who watching it.
Yeah, and
Now
for them
let's
I
get
just put a
out.
post right now for how to
Yeah,
make
yeah.
formula milk. Sorry to cut you.
Yeah, I will tag that. I will share that ताकि लोगों को और
Right.
अच्छे से उसको पता लग जाए. Let's get out of COVID now.
Yeah.
Lot of serious questions. You know, there's one thing I personally believe in your profession that ये एक trust building profession है. Like
Totally.
क्योंकि लाइक स्पेशली आप कोई बड़े इंसान को तो आप समझा सकते हो, उसको रीजन दे सकते हो, पर व्हेन समबडी इज अ लिटिल बिट किड लाइक उनको उनके पास ऐसे होना चाहिए कि अरे वो डॉक्टर प्यार मतलब समझदार होनी चाहिए एंड दे शुड आल्सो लव यू देन दे वांट टू कम यू
Yeah.
वंस मोर. How will you see that, or what your go-to to create this trust in your process, and mostly for a न्यूली मदर और न्यूली पेरेंट, क्योंकि कोई अगर मान लो मैम कोई न्यू पेरेंट्स आ रहे हैं आपके पास, तो उनको कैसे किया जाए, क्योंकि उनके मन में तो ज्यादा सवाल होता है, छोटा सा इधर उधर हो गया,
Right.
ये ठीक हो जाएंगे,
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
ठीक हो जाएंगे, तो हाउ यू टेक केयर अबाउट दैट?
So, Veem, this is a very, very nice question. And I think it is such an important thing, especially in pediatrics. जब मैं
Yeah.
अपनी रेजिडेंसी कर रही थी, and I used to tell my mom, ऐसे लगता था रोज एक इंटरव्यू दे रही हूँ मैं. Because, any patient who used to come, they would be like, I think the general norm हमारे पब्लिक में होती है कि एक डॉक्टर बुढ़ा सा हो, उसके बाल वाइट हो और वो ओपीडी में बैठा हो and they'll close their eyes and go. But I think now the general public is changing. They are very aware.
Yeah.
And the
Yeah.
good thing for female pediatricians is कि हमारे पास already वो motherhood वाले skills होते हैं. So I think the basic trick is if you love your profession, parents will see it. So whenever they come with their child, how you are with the child, जैसे आप उस बच्चे के साथ behave कर रहे हो, अगर वो रो रहा है उसको कैसे चुप करा रहे हो, and कितना time spend कर रहे हो to just see that patient. Parents get that feeling. I think parental instinct is above any instinct in this world. So you may
Yeah.
be 18 years and sitting in an OPD, you may be 78. But if you're not seeing that child from the eyes of a parent, अगर आप उस parent की complaint को you don't feel it or understand it to that level. For example, एक mother, she may just say कि मेरा बच्चा ठीक नहीं है. This 90% things I'm just facing these days, they just say कि ये ठीक नहीं है. They won't tell you कि बुखार है, पेट दर्द है. So you have to sit down on another level and understand कि हो गया. Is he not eating? बाथरूम जाने लगे कोई प्रॉब्लम है, पिछले दिन तो की खा रहे सी, आज की खा रहे सी. So when you get down to that level and they understand it. So I think this is very important. So how you behave with the child and how well you understand what the parent is trying to tell you.
Yeah. मैं आपके साथ ये पॉडकास्ट करते करते ना मुझे कॉलेज की याद आ गई, बिकॉज देयर टू रीजन. वन, आई रीड बायोटेक्नोलॉजी इन इंजीनियरिंग, तो वो जब मेडिकल टर्म्स वो सब थोड़ा लाइक वी आर सेमी डॉक्टर टाइप ऑफ होता है ना, पढ़ाई लिखाई हमारी भी, तो थोड़ा वो सब याद आते हैं. एंड द सेकंड मोस्ट थिंग, लाइक व्हेन यू टॉक इन बिटवीन दैट पंजाबी कम्स आउट, तो मोस्टली माय फ्रेंड्स तो दैट उनकी याद आ रहा था मेरा बहुत ज्यादा. सो एज यू वर टेलिंग कि जो समझाना मम्मी पापा को, somewhere down the line, do you feel like being a mother, it also helps you to make them understand?
I'm not a mother yet, but I hope that the day I am, I can pull off the same patience that I have. But I'm a Masi to two beautiful nieces. So I think जितनी motherhood skills I have is thanks to them. Although I've never scolded them, वो mother वाला, I've never had that aspect with them. I'm more like their friend and buddy. But जिन्हीं भी maternal instincts ने, I always related to my nieces.
एंड लाइक जितने भी मैंने पॉडकास्ट के टाइम ना, आई आस्क देम टू शेयर देयर फेलियर स्टोरी so that they
राइट.
can motivate
या या.
those who are watching. But I want to ask you, क्योंकि आपने बहुत सारे ऐसे केसेस देखे होंगे जहाँ पे शुरुआत पे आपको लगा हो कि there's no chance, there's no ray of hope to the patient
राइट.
and things changed out. तो अगर आप कोई ऐसा स्टोरी शेयर कर सकते हो कि एकदम जहाँ से चांसेस ही नहीं थे वहीं से टोटली फाइन.
So there are many chances, and thank you for asking me this question. मैं बैंगलोर में अपनी रेजिडेंसी कर रही थी. So in Bangalore, you need to know Kannada to speak to the
Yeah,
patient.
yeah,
Hindi is not
yeah,
a very common language,
yeah,
and
yeah.
so पहले साल तो मेरा डमशराज में ही निकल गया. एक आधा वर्ड आता था मुझे, and OPD में I used
हाँ,
to do this. So by mid
हाँ,
second year of my residency, I learned Kannada,
हाँ,
and
हाँ,
so little bit background that I belong to a family where we're just two sisters. It's me and my elder sister.
hmm,
And so
okay.
a girl child is a concept it's very close to my heart. And जब मैं
Oh,
Bangalore गई, one day there was this patient who came. उसको बस सिर में दर्द हो रहा था and a little bit of vomiting. And she
हाँ,
fainted
हाँ,
in the emergency. उसको seizure आ रहा था, दौरा. उसको पूरा दौरा पड़ा.
हाँ,
And उसके
हाँ.
बाद हमने realize किया her legs were paralyzed.
Oh,
And so we shifted her to the emergency. So उसको कहते हैं GBS, Guillain-Barré syndrome. वो क्या होता है? Ascending
hmm.
paralysis होता है. पैरों से ऊपर चल रहा होता है उसका paralysis. पहले लार
अरे,
पैरालाइज हो जाती है,
अच्छा,
फिर diaphragm हो जाता है,
हाँ,
lungs हो जाती है. So suddenly the patient stops breathing. ऐसे cases में you have
okay,
to ventilate. ठीक है, बेसिकली
हाँ,
आपने सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करना है उस पेशेंट को ब्रीदिंग के लिए. सो वट एवर टू कट द लॉन्ग
अच्छा,
स्टोरी शॉर्ट, हमने इसको इंक्यूबेट कर दिया. शी वॉज मैनेजिंग, पुलिंग
हाँ,
थ्रू. शी वॉज
हाँ,
नॉट
हाँ,
वेरी सिक, मतलब वेंटिलेटर पे शी वॉज मेंटेनिंग अ सैचुरेशन. ग्रेजुअली 7 to 10 days के बाद
हाँ,
उसको हमने वेंटिलेटर से उतार दिया. बट द चैलेंज वॉज कि एक लड़की ओपीडी में वॉकिंग आती है, सिर्फ वॉमिटिंग करती है, एंड शी लैंड्स अप विद पैरालिसिस. एंड दैट चाइल्ड वाज
oh my
13
God,
years old. So she was an adolescent. You can imagine how a teenager is.
हाँ,
And किसी के पेरेंट्स को ये बताना कि we don't know कि आपका बच्चा कब ठीक होगा, is paralyzed as
हाँ,
of now, और उसको इतने
हाँ,
दौरे पड़े थे कि उसकी मेमोरी पे भी असर हो गया था. But
oh
I'd like to
shit,
tell you, Veem, that prayer and parents are such magical things in life. कि
hmm.
उसके मॉम, I still remember her name was Christina, and उसके मॉम रोज आते थे. I've never seen her mother upset. मतलब only the first day, I think she
Oh,
must have had 2-3 tears, and then she was very confident कि I'm going to pull my daughter out of this. वो रोज आती थी. उसकी डॉटर सेमी कॉन्शियस होती थी, उसको कुछ भी नहीं पता था डॉटर को. वो अपने सिर्फ ईयरफोन्स लगा देती थी डॉटर के कानों पे, और उसमें
हाँ,
उनकी
हाँ,
जीसस की सारी हिम्स वगैरह चलती रहती थी. एंड वो रोज
हाँ,
आके एवरी डे शी वुड कम एंड शी वुड टेल हर डॉटर, आज तेरी बहन ने ये
हाँ,
किया, आज मैंने लंच में ये बनाया, आज मैंने डिनर में ये बनाया. एंड समटाइम्स वेटिंग आवर्स यूज्ड टू बी ओवर, एंड इन आईसीयू सेटिंग यू कांट अलाउ इतने पेरेंट्स. पर हमारा मन ही नहीं
hmm.
करता था टू टेल हर टू स्टॉप, बिकॉज शी वाज सो कॉन्फिडेंट कि उसकी डॉटर उठेगी. एंड लिटरली इन 41
क्या बात,
days her daughter got up and went from the ICU. So this is the power and magic, I think, of prayer. So I think this
क्या बात.
incident moves me even today.
Yeah, I can see the emotion on your face, like, when you were saying that thing. मैं ना पर्सनली एक चीज बिलीव करता हूँ, मैं बहुत लोगों को ये शेयर भी करता हूँ कि जो बीमारी होती है वो हमारे दिमाग में होता है, शरीर में नहीं. डू यू बिलीव दैट?
I think being a doctor, I can't say yes to that, but I can say
Yeah.
that, prayers, there's obviously a thing which is higher than science, and that is God. So never stop
हाँ,
believing in Him.
हाँ. Okay. Do you remember the first day you entered into the OPD? कैसा रहा? Like एकदम first day.
Yeah. I remember very clearly. I was a full-on
हाँ,
Punjabi girl from Chandigarh,
हाँ,
who was extremely proud of my culture and tradition, and I walked into
हाँ.
an OPD full of Kannadiga patients. And
Oh, अच्छा. There, no, in Karnataka.
yeah, in
Yeah.
Bangalore, and
हाँ.
everybody was looking at me, and so I sat in the OPD. So where I did my residency, it was a very strict hospital. So our teachers were
Okay.
very strict. So they believed कि
हाँ,
dubo या maro, like that's your thing. Either dubo or
अच्छा.
tero. Nobody is going to teach you
हाँ,
Kannada. कि कोई ऐसे नहीं बताएगा कि
हाँ.
इसको कन्नड़ा में ये बोलते हैं whatever. So I went to the OPD,
Oh,
and 2-3
हाँ,
words मैंने Google से पढ़े थे. जैसे पेन को
हाँ
नोवू बोलते हैं, you know. So
हाँ
I knew all of this. Like vomiting is one
हाँ
P. I knew two, three words.
हाँ हाँ
सो वो
हाँ
बोलते रहती थी कन्नड़ा में और मैं डमशरास करती रहती थी कि नोवू नोवू मतलब कहाँ दर्द हो रहा है, आई डोंट नो, और व्हाट आर यू सेइंग, और आई न्यू कि बुखार इज
हाँ
जोरा. So I
हाँ
remember this
हाँ
was my first day in the OPD
हाँ
until there was a
हम्म
5-6 year old child. He came to me
हम्म
and उसने मुझे कुछ कन्नड़ा में बोला. I didn't understand. फिर मैंने realize किया कि he's
हाँ
asking for my phone. So he told me to unlock my
ओह
phone and he opened a Google
हाँ
Translator for me. And he said,
अच्छा
he just showed it to me, कि, use this. This is for you. And it was so
this is six
helpful to
years
me.
old
He was a 6-year-old child.
हाँ
And
हाँ
I remember he used to keep coming back for his vaccination. And before I left Bangalore, I made sure I went and thanked him for that Google Translator because it helped me a lot for those 3 years. But these are the things sometimes I think, children can teach you so much in life
हाँ
unknowingly. पता नहीं चलता.
हाँ yeah. So children से याद आया कि how was your childhood? Like, are you like a sort of naughty kid or like very patient and studious? Which one is you?
I was very naughty. I think my
Okay.
mother must have joined in our Insta Live session and she must be saying the same answer in the background. I was an extremely naughty
हाँ
child.
मैम अगर आप देख रहे हो तो मैं इसके बाद आपको भी बोलने वाला हूँ पॉडकास्ट के
Yeah,
लिए
I was a very
हाँ
naughty child. My sister was
हाँ
super serious. She was very studious.
Sorry to
And
interrupt you in between. Like, you had a childhood dream of becoming a doctor कि ये कब हुआ? बाद में हुआ कि शुरुआत में?
so that is a very funny story. It
Okay.
wasn't my childhood dream. My sister was
हाँ
super studious. I was a very average student all my life and extremely naughty.
हाँ
And
हाँ
my sister was extremely studious. So my father, he's a doctor. And, he
हम्म,
always, it was very understood in our family, ki, she is going to be a doctor.
The
And in
doctor.
class
हाँ
10, she ditched us. She went ahead and became an engineer, and that responsibility obviously came on to me.
Came on you.
So
Yeah.
11th में मुझे बहुत धक्का लगा कि ये मेडिकल लिया है,
हाँ
अब इसका कुछ करना
हाँ
पड़ेगा. That's when I started
हाँ
studying in class 11. So this was my
Okay.
childhood. I was extremely naughty. I didn't like studying.
हम्म हम्म
And today I may say no to junk food, but I was a huge junk food fan also.
अरे हाँ जंक फूड से याद आया देयर वाज अ टाइम आई आल्सो यूज्ड टू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ जंक फूड तो फिर आई यूज्ड टू फेस अ लॉट ऑफ दिस वन गैस्ट्रिक इश्यूज एंड वो ठीक ही नहीं हो रहा था लाइक
Oh,
आई समथिंग स्टक इन माय दिस वन व्हाट टू से
throat.
इन द वॉइस लाइक हाँ
Okay.
थ्रोट सो आई स्टडीड एंड वही हुआ कि ज्यादा गूगल नहीं करना चाहिए तो मैंने गूगल किया
Yeah,
पता
yeah,
लगा कि
don't
उसको
Google.
that thing happened with me ना what happened like I googled and I understood that ये कैंसर हो गया तो मैं आधा
Oh,
बीमार वहीं पे हो गया गूगल करने के बाद then I went to a lot of doctors and they said that I was going through that one GERD I
yeah.
forgot the full
So I was
name
just going to say it
gas
must be acidity. Yeah.
हाँ so now things are okay but now I'm also staying away from this but how you are coping with your personal and professional life right now? Like especially being the COVID times, I think like you all need
Yeah.
to work lot more than the normal days.
Yeah, I think being a doctor, especially out of
Hmm.
residency, we are used to the working hours. What we are not used to is seeing so many people die. I mean, I think I would have declared
Yeah.
about 100, 200 people in my residency, when they were dead. But this is completely a different experience. Even डॉक्टर्स जो
Hmm.
रोज ये देख चुके हैं लाइफ में, अब सडनली देखना थोड़ा अननर्विंग है. Just few days ago, I was doing my COVID rounds and I was just walking out and एक 8-year-old बच्चा अपने father के गले रख के बहुत रो रहा था. He was really crying a lot because he lost his mother who was just 38. And I came home and I was so emotional because you may see this every day. For you, they're a patient,
Hmm.
but हम कभी कभी नहीं realize करते in that whole zone what that patient particularly means to somebody else. So gradually, not initially, बहुत gradually मैंने ये realize किया कि I'm not going to get the work home. I try not to talk about
Hmm.
COVID at home. I try not to tell my family or my husband that I saw this, or unless and until it's very disturbing. I think this is one thing. And definitely, I don't turn on and see the news. I don't read those forwards जो लिखते हैं कि आज इतनी डेथ होगी, आज concentrator नहीं मिल रहा, GA नहीं मिल रहा. I
Hmm.
don't do that. I think it's very disturbing. To all the people who are listening here, I have a request. Don't listen to them. You will get all the medicines, you will get the oxygen
Yeah.
concentrators, just be at home, but don't listen to this. It's
Uh,
very disturbing. And also, one of my really close friends, she's doing her residency in Bathinda. So sometimes both of us just
mm.
call each other and share our stories, and we're done. So I think friends play a great role like that.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. मैं ज़्यादा time नहीं लूँगा.
Mhm.
It's an honor to have you. This is the last question I want to ask
Yeah,
you. Uh, we all go through different phases of life. Like every day is not the same. क्योंकि ज़्यादातर क्या होता है? हमें we share something and we show. Everybody try to share some happy faces on social media. And सबको देख के ये लगता है यार इनकी जिंदगी तो कितने sorted होते हैं.
yeah,
Down the line we go through a lot of things, like as you were shared, like पूरे दिन ओपीडी में like you see things not about covid days, normal days पे भी बहुत सारे चीज आप देखते
yeah,
हो
yeah,
कि ऐसा हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. उससे like you shared कि आपने बताया कि like I don't bring that thing in home but I want like in a personal level. कभी वो तंग करता है अपने आप को मन में, यार अगर करता है तो हाउ यू कोप अप? क्योंकि मैं इसीलिए पूछ रहा हूँ. आई सी
right,
अ लॉट ऑफ यूथ नाउअडेज गो थ्रू पैनिक अटैक्स and
yeah,
are always in a tension about future. So
yeah,
क्योंकि how to overcome that thing in life, क्योंकि we
yeah.
all are going through a bad phase right now.
Yeah. So, Veem, this question has actually shaped my entire career. When I was doing my
Yeah.
residency, and it used to disturb me कि humble background के patients afford नहीं कर सकते basic care. So even as a
Hmm.
postgraduate student, I used to try. हमारा limited salary होती थी. But we used to try कि किसी की कोई दवाई free try कर ले, या किसी की कोई surgery है तो उसमें कैसे हम contribute करें. So I think very early on in
Hmm.
my life, I made this decision that I'm going to be a doctor in the government sector, you know,
हाँ.
and I will try to help. Not that, we have the most knowledge, but yes, we will try to help जिन्ना हो सके. And I think this is one
Hmm.
reason why I came into this teleconsultation, which is started in COVID, for people to
Hmm.
reach out to as many people and just to tell them कि, we are there. So this is one thing that I
Yeah.
learned very early on my career कि एक government
And I
sector
think you
में
do it
रहकर.
for free also, na? Just few
Yeah,
days back
we're
I
doing
saw.
it for free.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Yeah.
this is just to
Yeah.
tell people कि, I understand there is panic in this pandemic, but we as doctors, जिन्ना हो सके, we are all there. We're there to help you. This is one thing
Hmm.
that really helped
Hmm.
me cope up with this situation and this and shape my career in the government sector.
Yeah. But how you tackle yourself like when things are totally against you?
I think one thing that this pandemic has specially taught me, and I see this every day, is कि
Hmm.
कई बारी in the morning I go at 8 o'clock to the COVID rounds, and we're wearing that
Hmm.
PPE kit, and वो पूरा हम covered
हाँ.
होते हैं. फिर भी जब rounds कर रहे होते हो, like I'm seeing newborn babies and stuff, so they are with their
हाँ.
mothers के side पे और patients होते हैं, and they will just say कि डॉक्टर साहब 2 मिनट साडे नाल गल कर लो. Although I'm a child
हाँ.
specialist and there will be medicine people around them to speak to them,
Yeah.
but they will just be like, doctor sab gal kar lo. And you realize
हाँ.
every day the importance of just talking and sharing something, or just sitting down and
Yeah.
talking to them for 2 minutes. So every
हाँ.
day that I go to the COVID ward, I make sure कि अगर इस बेड पे मेरा पेशेंट पड़ा है तो मैं इस बेड वाले को भी हाय बोलूंगी, इस बेड वाले को भी हाय बोलूंगी, और कुछ भी नहीं तो आई स्पीक टू देम.
Yeah.
Sometimes they just say कि sweaty की खादा, or they'll just ask me कि अच्छा आज emergency है.
हाँ.
Just basic 2-minute conversations which
Basic
don't
questions.
cost
Yeah. Yeah.
anything. So I think this
Yeah.
is a very important message, that how you can cope up is just listen, just hear out, just be for people. Ask people
Yeah.
around you how are they doing. Ask them,
Yeah.
if they seem a little off, go ahead that extra mile and say कि तेरी आवाज नहीं ठीक लगी, or just call me again, or call the other person again.
हाँ.
So I think this is
हाँ.
something that really helped me in the long run. And just listening to people, I think this is amazing. Most of the time, especially जब से मैंने ये COVID consultation start किया है,
हाँ.
I get calls
हाँ.
from Uttarakhand. Yesterday I got a call from Bihar. And
Very good.
it's not कि मैं उनके बच्चों को हाथ लगा के देख रही हूँ, और I will
Hmm.
prescribe some medicine जो जादू कर देगी. But I will just listen to
Hmm.
them for 2 minutes and they will be like, हाँ जी, we're really happy about that. So I think this is
हाँ.
something we've learned in this pandemic. Listen, hear out people, and I think we're
हाँ.
all good to go.
क्या बात. Thank you so much for giving me this time and opportunity to
No,
do this
thank you for
podcast
having me
with
on
you.
board.
Yeah, and I won't take much of your time really.